Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Puran J and today's topic is pollution. So let's begin. What is pollution? Pollution is the process of making the environment pollute the water and the air by adding harmful substances. There are mainly three types of pollutions: air pollution, land pollution, and water pollution. First, air pollution. Air pollution happens when the air gets dirty. Air pollution is caused due to both natural as well as man-made pollutants. Bursting of crackers causes air pollution. So the solutions are: use of CNG should be done. Follow the reduce, reuse and recycle helps reducing air pollution. So here are some pictures of air pollution. See, smoke from crackers, bursting crackers. It might be fun, but it's doing so much harm to the environment. Smoke from boats, smoke from vehicles, smoke from factories. See, so much. CNG should be used in vehicles. Seriously. And if it's possible in factories and boats too. So now, land pollution. Land pollution refers to anything that pollutes the land and soil. Garbage dumped alongside the roads and in landfills is harmful to both humans and animals. Land pollution is a major reason behind several diseases and, and declining animal species. So the solutions are: land pollution could be controlled by implementing proper waste disposal techniques. We must properly dispose of organic and inorganic waste separately. So here are some pictures of land pollution. Yeah, bursting crackers can also be land pollution. See guys, so much dirt, so much garbage everywhere. The dustbins are filled and all that. And they're burning. Burning garbage, also air pollution. Two of these are air pollution. Can you guess it? Put in comment down below. Two of these are making air pollution. So let's move on to the next. Come on. So last and final, water pollution. When any impurities from the surroundings get mixed with the water bodies, the water gets polluted, known as water pollution. Water gets polluted because men and women dump domestic waste directly into water bodies. Water gets polluted because many factories dump their waste, including chemical waste, directly into water bodies. So what are the solutions? Last solutions are: government should take drastic steps to restrict the direct disposal of waste into the rivers or seas. The quality of drinking water should be checked on timely basis to avoid spread of diseases. So we have to turn. So these are some pictures of water pollution. Guys, we have to turn our earth, Mother Earth, from this to happy Mother Earth. From so much pollution to normal without pollution, everything. Guys. So guys, thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Thank you for watching.